It's right there. You looking everywhere but. Okay, that's fine. See you later. Good morning and welcome. Bless you. Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It's currently 11:55, almost 12 o'clock. Well, I don't even remember what I was about to say. Literally, when I hit 30, memory shot. Now that I'm 31, I don't even try. I don't even try to remember things. It is what it is. But yeah, I have a few errands to run today. I'm praying that it doesn't take as long as it took yesterday. I feel like all I do nowadays is run errands, because I feel like I'm constantly like trying to get stuff done for the house or find certain things for the house. My life has been consumed by this house for the most part. I need to go to Hobby Lobby because I really like the ribbon that I got yesterday. It actually is gonna look really good on the tree. But when I tell y'all that roll of ribbon was so freaking short, I'm gonna get it. 1 second. Okay, so I was playing with the roll of ribbon last night to kind of figure out how I want to do the bows. And this is like kind of what I'm going for. It's really cute. Like imagine like 10 or 12 of these over the entire tree, like a couple black, a couple brown. Yeah, I think they'll just look really cute. But then I started to unravel the entire roll to see how many of these bows I could get out of the tree or out of the roll of ribbon. Fam, look at this. This is all the ribbon. This is all the ribbon. First off, why even sell a roll of ribbon this short? I don't know. But anyways, if I want to get 10 of just the black velvet ones, I'm gonna need probably another 4 rolls, like 3 or 4. I feel like I can possibly get 3 ribbons out of each roll, but honestly, I'm not banking on it. It's like 2 and a possible, you know? It's giving, we're not even making board. Like that's what it's giving, you know? Hopefully the Christmas tree gets here today, but honestly, we don't even have all the ornaments and stuff, so it probably won't even go up until like tomorrow or Monday, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna go run these errands and then come back home and chill. Let's do an outfit of the day. So this is the full situation. So on top, I'm wearing this long sleeve shirt from Zara. This is actually a really good quality long sleeve shirt, like just like a simple plain white long sleeve shirt. It's actually really good quality. And then on the arm, it just says, "It's a good day to have a good day." I thought that was super cute. But yeah, I bought this one day. We were out and I was absolutely freezing, and Zara was like the closest like quick store I could find to buy a long sleeve shirt, and I actually ended up really liking it, and I wear it like every other day. So yeah, long sleeve shirt is from Zara. This green vest, it's like a knit vest situation. This is from COS. Y'all know I love COS, especially for knitwear. I feel like I actually kind of want to go there to see if they have anything good for like Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I don't know. I might hit them up. We'll see. But yeah, it's just like this knit vest situation. Leggings, as always, Lululemon. And then my tote bag is my Kuyana Easy Tote. Jewelry, same jewelry that I literally wear every single day. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Eddie said it looks like I'm going to somebody's charter school. And you know what? I ain't mad at it. morning. I'm headed to a lash appointment because it's time for me to get my lashes done. We went to church earlier, but I changed, and this is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this hot pink sweatshirt from Rotate Christian Burger or something. I don't know. Y'all have seen this before. I literally wear this all the time. And then my pants are these army fatigue pants from I want to say Abercrombie. Can't remember, but I think they're from Abercrombie. And then I just threw on my little like crossover crossbody satchel. This is not a satchel. What is this? It's like a fanny pack, like a crossover fanny pack. It's like a black leather one from Everlane. Yeah. And then it's not really cold outside. It's actually kind of warm today. So I'm just going to wear my black like rubber Birkenstocks that I always wear whenever I'm running errands. And yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Let's go. All right, so I just got back from, or not just, I got back probably like 45 minutes ago from getting my lashes done. I went to a new girl and she definitely did them. I'm looking in the viewfinder. She definitely did them longer than I typically go for, but I just told her, make it classic, make it simple, make it look like natural, but still like I have some lashes. And I mean, it's growing on me. At first, when I first saw them, like I was like, whoa, these are very long. I think I don't even remember the lengths she said. I think she said 11 to 13 or something like that. I can't remember, but yeah, they're growing on me. They're growing on me, but they're very long, like much longer than I'm used to having them. But yeah, I think she did a good job. She took her time. She was super nice, and I would definitely like go back to her again for sure. But I think it's like 4 o'clock or maybe a little after 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the tree. Yesterday, I went and did a bit more, honestly, a lot more decor shopping, like Christmas decor shopping, because I just felt like I didn't have enough to actually make a decent tree this year. So I ended up getting some more decor. I'll show y'all that in a second. And then also our tree came yesterday as well, our new tree. So I'm excited. I'm actually very excited. This one, it's like that minimal look, but not too minimal, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it. Like, it's the minimal, like branchy look that makes the tree look like an actual tree and not a fake tree, but it's not so minimal that there's only like 5 branches. Y'all know the types of trees I'm talking about. I'm actually very excited to put the tree up and just to see how everything comes together, because this whole black, brown, and burgundy vibe, like I can't actually envision it in my mind. I just thought those colors would look really cool together on a tree. So yeah, I don't know, we're gonna figure this out together. We're gonna see it come to life together, because in my mind I have no vision. I did also get some more Christmas decor to put around the house as well. I'm probably gonna end up taking some stuff back that we got the first day, just because I feel like I found better stuff the second day. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But we'll decorate the rest of the house tomorrow. Today we're just gonna, like, I don't know, I was gonna say we're gonna light the fire, but today's actually kind of hot, but I feel like it'd just be so cozy to put the fire on. So maybe we'll like put the fire on, but also open the window and turn on the air. I don't know. I feel like that's a waste of energy, but I just want it to be cozy. But yeah, we'll put on some Christmas music. I personally love to vibe to NSYNC, the Christmas soundtrack. We used to put the tree up every year, like as kids. Me, my sister, my mom, my dad, we would like put the NSYNC album on and just like go to town putting the Christmas tree together. And crazy enough, we always did that on Christmas Eve. Like we got our Christmas trees on Christmas Eve. Don't ask me why, ask my parents. But yeah, we got our Christmas tree on Christmas Eve, and then we decorated it on Christmas Eve, and then we typically kept it like through New Year's and like maybe like mid-January or something like that. Anyways, yeah, so it just makes me feel very nostalgic to put the Christmas tree up to NSYNC, the Christmas album. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let me show y'all the Christmas decor really quickly. This is what we have for Christmas decor. So yesterday I ended up finding these berries, which they're a darker burgundy. So I don't know, I'm gonna stick these in the tree and then also the other ones and see which ones I like better. I turned the mic around, so hopefully y'all can hear me a little bit better. But yeah, so we have the star from years Christmases past, because I could not find a tree topper that I really liked. So we're just gonna rock with this one for now. I'll just look for another one. Like I'll still stay on the hunt for another one, but for now we're just gonna rock with this one. And I don't know, see how it goes. What else do we have? I also bought some more black velvet ribbon. This is from Joann's. Why did no one tell me that Joann's is slick a little better than Hobby Lobby, at least when it comes to Christmas stuff? I don't know about their year-round stuff, but when it came to their Christmas stuff, I actually liked Joann's better than Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I found this. It's like a very similar black velvet ribbon. This was buy one get three free. So I literally got 4 of these for $10. At Hobby Lobby, one of these was $6. I'll definitely be taking back the Hobby Lobby ribbon and keeping the Joann's ribbon. I didn't find a nice brown ribbon at Joann's, so we're gonna stick with the one that I got from Michael's. It looks like this. I feel like this will tie the star in pretty well, so hopefully that creates some consistency there. I also have these berries from last year, or like just Christmases past, like a lot of Christmases past. So we'll use these as well in the tree. And then also as far as ornaments, this is what we're working with. I found these at Hobby Lobby yesterday, and these are just like frosted pine cone ornaments. I thought this would be a nice little touch of brown, just because I couldn't find pine cones anywhere else. And these are actual ornaments. So they have like the little hook that you can put the hook in to hang it on the tree. So yeah, and they're shatterproof. So if they fall, we good. I also found this set of ornaments from Home Goods, just Home Goods, not TJ Maxx Home Goods. They have brown ornaments in them. They also have pink and gold, which I probably won't use those. I just bought them for the brown ornaments. But it was only 20 bucks, and I was like, I mean, for all the brown ornaments in here, even if I don't use the pink or the gold, I mean, just using the brown I feel like is worth the 20 bucks. And then I just have these ornaments that are also from Christmases past. We probably will only use the clear ones on this tree up here. So yeah, I don't even know if y'all can see that, but it's like gold. Most of them are gold, but then they have a couple clear ones in here, so we'll use the clear ones. sweatshirt. That's wild.